Welcome back to the show, everyone. Today we're leveling up our charging game with something truly exciting, the Buraaq 65-watt dual-port fast charger. If you're tired of carrying multiple bricks and waiting forever for your devices to juice up, stick around. Let's unbox this power-pack solution. All right, first look at the box. It's clean, it's white, and it proudly boasts that BIS Certified badge, which right off the bat gives you peace of mind regarding safety and quality. Let's pop this open. Inside, we have the star of the show, the 65-watt charger adapter itself. It's got a sleek, durable white ABS casing. Feels solid, compact, and definitely travel-friendly. But Buraaq doesn't stop there. This is a comprehensive charger set because it comes with two cables, a 65-watt Type-C cable and a 60-watt Type-C to Type-C cable. Everything you need for efficient charging and data transfer, all in one package. Now let's talk power. This isn't your average charger. It's a dual-port marvel. You get a dedicated 65-watt USB port, perfectly optimized for your Samsung, Oppo, OnePlus, Realme, and Mi phones that use those high-speed protocols like SUPERVOOC and Mi Turbocharge. And right next to it, you get a 25-watt Type-C PD power delivery port, the sweet spot for your iPhones, iPads, and other PD-compatible tech, even the latest iPhone 16. The magic here is Buraaq's dynamic power distribution. No more slow charging when you plug in a second device. The smart chip inside intelligently balances the power, ensuring both your phone and your tablet get optimal charging speeds simultaneously. That's a huge win for efficiency. Speed is nothing without safety, and Buraaq has built in an advanced safety protection system. This smart chip actively guards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, preventing overheating and ensuring a secure charge every single time. And that durable and high-quality build, made from premium ABS material, means it's built to resist impact and abrasion, so it's going to last. Compatibility-wise, it's practically universal. Whether you have a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a OnePlus phone, or an iPhone 14 Pro Max, this charger supports all those popular fast charging protocols. So to wrap up, the Buraaq 65-watt dual-port fast charger delivers speed, safety, and versatility in one compact, travel-friendly package, complete with two necessary cables. With its BIS certification and a reassuring 6-month warranty, this is a trusted upgrade for your daily charging needs.